Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Now I know you join me in the back of a boot with these two seats in, but you probably tell from the title what they are. Yep, I bought some leather Recaro seats for my Yaris, and they were pretty cheap, to be fair, to say what they normally do go for, so I'm not complaining. But definitely, yeah, we're going to get the old seats out, and then we're going to get these ones put in. It's just going to be a quick short video, so don't expect to look really good. Right, so if you just look at these seats, they're absolutely disgusting. Like, they've got no bolsters. You can't sit really in the seats. You're mainly just sat on... They're like bar stools, basically. But being as though this is a Japanese version of the Yaris, I get the lovely hex bolts. 1, 2... Oh, let's get this forward. Got your third one there, and then you got your fourth one up against here. But if you do have the French, I believe they are security Torx ones, so they will be a little different, but not that different as I know of. But yeah, I'm just going to quickly undo these four, get the seats out, and then hopefully the other one should be a nice, easy install. Being as though they're not meant for this car and the rails are customly welded on, I'm going to have to get one bolt in first because you can't get it out due to the rails being on top. But yeah, we'll sort that out. Right, wow, whew, we should never take a man an hour to change two seats, but we finally got them in, and yeah, they look so much more better. Oh, it's just a bit of water. Like, I mean, yeah, the seat's so much more lower because obviously you got the adjustability on here to lift them up and down. Only thing that's bad is that you've got no pull handle for these to come forward for the passengers to get in, but you know, I never have passengers anyways. But wow, yeah, these seats are so much more comfortable. You got your bolsters here, which are huge. These bolsters are absolutely huge, but they're not to the point where you can't get in and out. I can easily get in and out these seats. But as a whole, yeah, I reckon this was a pretty successful install. I mean, there was one bolt that just took the absolute mick, but you know, we've got it in. They're all secure, like, these aren't going absolutely anywhere, no matter how hard I shake them. But yeah, today was just a little quick video of installing these bad boys. I will be doing more interior mods. I've got a special one coming up, which is how to ruin a Yaris, but you know, you got to stay tuned for that. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, I would really appreciate liking and subscribe. Keep it coming, it keeps me motivated, and I really appreciate all the support I'm getting. Like I said, there's going to be a secret giveaway at 500 subs. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.